tour. So we just got in. Right behind us is the entrance. If you don't know, ARC is a house and techno festival in downtown Chicago. So let's get started. So we just walked in right here. Let me flip the camera. This is the front entrance. So when you walk in, to the left, you have the grid, which is the main stage. If you come this way, you have Lost and Found and things. If you go that way, that is the restrooms. And so far, the only water station that I've seen is back there. The restrooms also loop around and take you straight into the main stage. Now, when you come in, to the right is the expansion stage. There's a lot, it's Saturday, there's a lot more people here. Merch. Merch tent, we got a bar, and then we're coming up to all the food options. Food, we got some little archways. There's all sorts of different cuisine here. I'm gonna eat internationally every day. That's what I want. You see all the different types of food. Everybody's sitting down munching. It's cool to eat at festival, guys. You know what's not cool? Making jokes about chicken tenders. You gotta eat. Look at all these beautiful people eating. I love to see it. All right, so that was the food. In the center is like where everybody's sitting down. There's a few picnic tables, some little art installations. And this is the Elro stage. We got more bathrooms over here. So now I am GA. I'm not in VIP this time, so I'm not sure what VIP looks like. The grid.